A hush falls over the crowd gathered at KAI headquarters. Years of tireless work culminate in this moment. Under the bright Korean sun, a sleek, silver fighter jet stands proudly on the runway. It's a picture of innovation, a testament to South Korea's ambition, the KF-21 Boramae, the young hawk.
Today, we witness history in the making. The Boramae represents a giant leap forward for our nation's defense capabilities.
The KAI KF-21 Boramae is a South Korean-led fighter aircraft development program with the goal of producing an advanced multi-role fighter for the South Korean and Indonesian air forces. The airframe has a stealth technology. The KAI KF-X is South Korea's second domestic fighter jet development program. Following the FA-50, the program is led by the South Korean government, which holds 60% of the program shares. Indonesia's stake was reduced to 7.5% when the head of the program, the Defense Acquisition Program Administration, cut Indonesia's development contribution, and the remaining is held by private partners, including the manufacturer Korea Aerospace Industries. In April 2021, the first prototype was completed and unveiled during a rollout ceremony at the headquarters of KAI at Sachin Airport. The first test flight was on the 19th of July 2022, with manufacturing scheduled to begin in 2026. At least 40 aircraft are planned to be delivered by 2028, with South Korea expecting to deploy 120 of the aircraft by 2032. It will also be available for export. The initial goal for the program was to develop a single-seat twin-engine multi-role fighter with stealth capabilities exceeding both the Dassault Rafale and Eurofighter Typhoon, but less than those of the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. 6 flying prototypes, including 2 two-seat versions, will conduct 2,200 flights until mass production begins in 2026, equipped with modern avionics systems, including active electronically scanned array radars and advanced sensors. The Defense Acquisition Program Administration awarded KAI the $1.96 trillion contract for the Block 1 batch. The company announced June 25th. The platforms are considered for .5 generation aircraft, armed with a 20mm M61A to Vulcan Gatling gun with 480 rounds of munitions, Deal Iris-T, AIM-9 sidewinders, MBDA Meteor, and other air-to-air missiles. Also, it incorporates MBDA Brimstone, Spear 3, Taurus KEP 350, and AGM-65 Maverick air-to-surface missiles. It also has GBU-12 LGB and KGGB bombs. The KAI KF-21 Boramae has faced several controversies throughout its development. The original timeline for the project was ambitious, aiming for initial operational capability in 2025. However, various factors, including technical challenges and supply chain issues, led to significant delays and increased development costs. The South Korean government, eager to bolster the country's defense capabilities, has applied pressure to accelerate the program, potentially leading to compromises in quality or safety. Indonesia, initially a major partner in the program, significantly reduced its stake due to financial difficulties. The reduction in Indonesian participation led to a decrease in development funding, potentially impacting the program's overall progress and capabilities. The Boramae was initially positioned as a competitor to advanced Western fighters like the Dassault Rafale and Eurofighter Typhoon. Some critics have questioned whether the Boramae can truly match the capabilities of these established platforms, particularly in terms of stealth and avionics. The Boramae's development has faced competition from the FA-50, a South Korean-developed light fighter. The competition between these two programs has raised questions about the optimal allocation of resources and whether both projects can be fully supported. Developing stealth technology is a complex and expensive endeavor, and the Boramae has faced challenges in achieving the desired level of stealth. The program has also encountered difficulties in developing a suitable engine for the Boramae, relying on foreign-source power plants in the initial stages. Despite these controversies, the KAI KF-21 Boramae remains a significant milestone for South Korea's defense industry. The program has demonstrated the country's capabilities in advanced aircraft development, and its successful completion could have far-reaching implications for South Korea's military power and technological leadership. That's all for today. See you in another video.